Hi everyone, Saki here and welcome back to my channel. I cannot believe that it's already the end of the year. I think this might be the last video that you guys see me in. Now today's video is one that I do every single year and I am going to be talking about my best purchases of 2022. I went back through my channel and realized that I did pretty good this year. I didn't buy too many things, which I'm so excited about because that was my goal this year since I was pregnant and I was going to have the baby. I really didn't want to spend too much on luxury goods, and plus I was also able to buy the house this year, which honestly is probably my #1 best purchase of the year, although we haven't yet moved in yet. I'm pre-recording all these videos, but I'm sure by the time this video goes up, the house will still not be done. That is neither here nor there. If you do want to keep up to date on what is happening with my house, please go check out my home vlogs. I will link them down below for you guys. Now I've chosen like 6 items to talk to you guys about. It was really hard because I have that like recency bias where all of the things that I want to say are the best purchases were the purchases that I made recently, but I really thought long and hard about these things, and I do think that you will be surprised at the things that I've picked out that were my best purchases this year. So let's just get started. Speaking of recency bias, this one is probably that. I'm going to start off with my Chloe backpack. So this is the Chloe Faye mini backpack and I literally just unboxed this on my channel not too long ago and I have been using this thing nonstop. I love it so much and I think it's a combination of the fact that I just really like this with my style right now. It's really edgy and I don't know, I just love the way that it looks. I know it's a bag that's not even in trend anymore, but for some reason I am head over heels in love with it. It is also so easy to use. I do use it both ways as a shoulder bag with the shorter strap and also the backpack way a lot. It's so easy to be hands-free with Killian with this bag, and it's one of those bags that I really don't have to worry about when I'm using it. It can also hold a decent amount. I can hold a couple of things for Killian and definitely everything that I need. So yeah, I've just been using this one a lot. I don't know if it's going to continue to be like one of the best purchases ever, but just because I've been using it a lot since I bought it, I think this is hands down one of the best things I've bought this year. The next item is a little bit of a cheat because I didn't actually buy these for myself, but I would say these Gucci slides are one of the best things that I've gotten this year. I actually got this one for my 30th birthday from a friend and I absolutely love these things. I'm so surprised because I never thought I would own luxury slides. I'm not a sandals kind of person and I don't really go to the pool that often, although this year I did because of Killian and we just had like the worst problems with our air conditioning this year. Anyways, I digress. So yeah, I've just been using these a lot. They're so easy in the summer to just like slip on and go as well, especially since the baby was so small during the summer and I was like, you know, brand new to taking care of a baby. I really didn't have time to, you know, contemplate what shoes am I going to wear. You know, I didn't want to spend a lot of time putting them on, so I wore these a lot. I still don't know if I would spend, you know, the couple $100s it was to buy these if I didn't get it for a present, but I will definitely say if you want to spend that much money on a pair of luxury slides, I highly recommend this pair. Now I think technically I did buy this one in 2021, but my unboxing of it was in 2022, and that is my Dior tribal earrings. This one I got when I was in London for our baby moon. And I love these. I literally wear them all the time. When I don't know which earrings to wear, I always grab these. They go with literally everything. And my favorite part about it is that little dangly spike right here. It just gives it a little bit of an edgy touch. And you guys know I'm all about that. So when I saw these, I immediately knew they were for me. I really didn't have any doubts that I would wear them a lot. So this one doesn't surprise me as much, but yeah, I just had to add it to my best purchases list. All right, next is going to be my Louis Vuitton clay or key pouch. So this one I'm also surprised about because I always thought it was kind of like useless to have a SLG this small. I use my mini pochette from Louis Vuitton a lot and I'm like, this one is already pretty small. Will I be able to use something even smaller? And the answer is yes, because I did use this one as a mini wallet for the longest time. I'm actually giving it a little bit of a break right now, but the thing I love about it the most is that you can put your keys on here. So I have like a key fob to get into my apartment, which I do need a keychain to attach it to, or else I will lose it. And then also my car keys is kind of like a big fob as well. And inside here I would just keep like my ID and all my credit cards, and it fits like a really good amount of cards. And I can even, you know, stick receipts and stuff in here if I need to. I did get mine in a limited edition like print, and it is all leather, although I do believe that the like monogram ones are still pretty inexpensive at Louis Vuitton. I just highly recommend this SLG. I can see why so many people are obsessed about it, and when I didn't really understand it before. So yeah, definitely one of my best purchases, and I cannot wait to like use this in my rotation again. And all right, the last piece that I'm going to be talking about is not a luxury item, but I have to talk about my Michael Kors Mirella tote bag, because I got so much use out of this bag during the summer and I loved it so much. I think that Michael Kors gets a bad rep sometimes because, you know, some of their quality might not be as good, and I think, you know, some of the things that they sell in their outlet isn't good as well. But anyways, I do think that like for a brand like Michael Kors, it really is on a piece by piece basis in terms of quality, and I do think that this one was just really good quality. The leather is really beautiful. I mean, just look at how immaculate this is for how much I've used it. I think that I love this one so much too because I really want the Dior book tote, but I just don't want to spend that money on, you know, a bag like that. So I've just been like channeling all of my love for that bag into this bag, and yeah, I just find it so useful. I think that the strap that comes with it is also really nice. The Dior book tote does not come with the strap like this, so that is a plus if you do like this bag. I do also believe that it comes in the large size, although I'm not sure if Michael Kors is still selling this, but I will try to find it and leave a link below if I can. If not, you know, these kinds of things always pop up on secondhand. But yeah, I'm just so surprised at how much I love this, especially for it being a Michael Kors bag. I don't own anything else Michael Kors right now. I think I got rid of all of my Michael Kors handbags like after college, but yeah, I'm just so happy that I decided to go with it. I get so many compliments on it whenever I do wear it out. So yeah, I think moral of the story with this one is that you shouldn't be afraid to buy different brands, and you really need to judge like each piece individually from brands like this, because there are certainly a few gems out there. And all right, that was it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for your continued support throughout 2022. I really appreciate all the views on my channel, everyone who's commented. I know that you know, YouTube views are kind of down for everyone right now, but I do really appreciate those of you who are still here. If you do want to check out some of my recent purchases, which I'm just so in love with and I had to fight myself to not include in this video, please go check it out here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. Sunshine on my shoulders.